Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 of 13 Grundy Terrace in the beautiful Christies Beach. I've got a sensational spot, one of the premier spots in Christies Beach. So close to the ocean, so close to Beach Road with all the cafes and shops. It's a beautiful spot to spend your summer holidays or a great place to base yourself forever. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? I absolutely love the design of this home. It's beautifully fitted out, gorgeous floors, beautiful window treatments, huge rooms with plenty of storage. And because this home is completely separated from the other building, it's absolutely private and you've got the best yard. It's right around the back, perfect for a little pet, and it's so close to all the action in the beautiful Christies Beach. You're gonna love your lifestyle here and I can't wait to show you through. See you at an open soon. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate.